Welcome to the Fundamentals of PeopleAdmin at UNH. This course will give you a greater understanding of the HR, capital talent management here at UNH, and how to use software we have chosen to manage it effectively. Day 2 is Overview, Concepts, Logging In, Basic Navigation. In this section, we will discuss the concepts behind talent management and why it is important. We will learn the steps involved in logging into system using our task credentials and basic navigation of the PeopleAdmin system. At the end of this section, you will understand the basic concepts behind PeopleAdmin and the navigation through PeopleAdmin. You will learn what talent management is and why position description is central to the success of talent management. You will be able to recognize roles in PeopleAdmin and how roles determine what a user can see and do. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to log into PeopleAdmin with your task credentials. You will be able to identify the 3 modules of PeopleAdmin, find your shortcuts, your inbox, and your watch list. What is talent management? Talent management refers to the process of developing and integrating new workers, developing and retaining current workers, and attracting highly skilled workers to work for a company. Effective position management helps us understand the requirements of each position, rather than the unique skills of the individual who currently occupies it, to ensure accurate, efficient, and successful applicant screening. Updated position descriptions also ensure that employees are being evaluated and compensated for their current work, can document promotion justification, and encourage employee development and succession. PeopleAdmin is the software used at UNH to manage talent management. PeopleAdmin is a software supported by talent management by using a position description as the center of their modules. Position description creates an accurate posting that attracts the best potential employees. Onboard criteria determine what equipment and accounts an employee will need and are driven by the job tasks. Job performance can be judged on the objective criteria set forth in the position description. As business needs change, we have the opportunity to adjust compensation and classification fairly based on the position description. All modules lead back to an effective position description. What are roles in PeopleAdmin? Roles determine what a user can do or see. Roles determine what position a user can see, what tasks a user can perform. Requests are routed through the system to specific users based on role or groups. Employees have access to their own position descriptions. Department users have access to their posting. Any posting where their name is listed as a supervisor, and any posting they create, and any posting that they are assigned to view. Department users are able to initiate postings and position descriptions for staff and faculty, and view applicants. Department authorities have all the access of the department user, plus all of the positions within their department org. They also are able to initiate, view, and approve postings and positions, and view applicants. Finance will only be able to see fields pertinent to their budgetary roles. Position description requests will be routed to finance based on the departments that BSC has assigned. Finance can see all of the positions in a college. They can view and approve position requests and posting. Campus HR has access to all the orgs in UNH, while system administrators have access to all the orgs within the USNH system. PeopleAdmin is part of our single sign-on CAS system. This means that the username and password that employees use to log on to the ED domain, WISE, or banner will work to gain them access to PeopleAdmin. When you log on to https://jobs.usnh.edu/hr, user will click the USNH employee click here to log in text, which is figure A. A new window will open that will prompt the user to enter their AD username and password, figure B. If you have any issues with your username or password, click the Need Assistance link, figure C, which will redirect the user to the UNH Information Technology Help Center. General navigation within PeopleAdmin. Once you have successfully logged onto the system, you can identify which module you're in by looking at the top right-hand corner of the drop-down bar. The drop-down menu allows users to move between modules if they have been granted access. Just below the module selector is a link to the employee portal, which will be used when performance management begins. The color of the header visually indicates the module you're in. Orange is position management, blue is applicant tracking, and purple is performance management for supervisors. As of this time, UNH has not started performance management. The drop-down bar on the right allows the employee to see what user type they are logged into currently. If you've been granted multiple roles, you can toggle between these roles simply by changing the drop-down choice. The tab on the top corresponds to the actions you can perform in this module. On the right-hand side, you will see a set of shortcuts used to create staff, faculty, adjunct staff, or adjunct faculty postings. We will cover how to use these postings in the applicant tracking module lesson. Two important areas of the home page designed to help you navigate are the inbox and the watch list. The inbox will alert the user to any task or work item requiring their attention. There are two ways in which to access the inbox: in the middle of the page and at the top right corner. Both will show all items requiring attention relative to the current assigned user group. In the case a user has multiple user roles, the inbox will show that the user has items requiring their approval across all user groups assigned in one view. The watch list serves as a central location where a user may review the status of all items they watch in the system. Items show up in a watch list only when the user purposefully clicks on a Watch This Item link that appears within multiple areas on the site. Items are removed when the user selects to stop watching this item. Although there are two links to the watch list, the contents of the list are the same, as one will be able to see all items watched no matter what group the user is currently logged in as.